Namaste friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are well. So in this video we are going to discuss about 5 makeup products that you don't need. But before that I just want to discuss a very small point with you guys, that what happens that when we are in our 20s we just feel the urge and need to buy so many makeup products and collect them, but in actually we are just wasting our money. Because what happens that these brands and these manufacturers are putting their millions and billions into that product. They are selling that product worldwide, so they promote the product in such a way so we start feeling the need to buy it. They promote it on Instagram, on YouTube, on TV and whatnot. They just take famous celebrities so we think, oh, this product is genuine and we should buy it. But that is not true. Everybody is doing a business here, and that is why they are selling those products. In reality we don't even need those products, and in this video we are just going to discuss about those 5 products. And that's it with the intro guys. Let's continue the video. First product that I don't think that you shouldn't be buying is a primer. I know guys, many of you swear by it and use it on daily basis, but I don't think it is a product that you should be using. Because what does primer exactly do? It just creates a layer between your skin and makeup. And the same thing is done by moisturizer. It is better to buy a good quality moisturizer, or you can also use aloe vera gel. It works the same. Primer doesn't make a difference. Even if you think that your makeup lasts for a longer period of time, no, it will last for like 1 or 2 hours more, not more than that. And again you will need to touch up your makeup because it is makeup, not your real skin. So why to invest your money on primer? Only if you have very large pores, then you should invest your money on primer. Otherwise not all people need primer, as it clogs your pores and it is just not good for your skin. So I don't think that you should invest your money in a primer. Second product that you should stop buying is makeup removing wipes. You should only use makeup removing wipes in case of emergency or when you are traveling. Otherwise there is no need of wasting your money on that, because they do not work well. Even if you use it 2-3 times on your face, still you can see the makeup. So what is the whole purpose of using those wipes on your face? Secondly, they consist of various harmful chemical, fragrances, alcohol, which is not good for your skin. So please stop using makeup removing wipes. Also they are non-biodegradable, not good for our environment. So please use facial oils or facial gels for removing makeup, but don't go for wipes. They aren't good for you and not for the environment as well. So third product that I think you should stop buying is a sheet mask. I know that it will give you an instant glow. Many popular celebrities do the ad of sheet mask and you also feel the need of buying those products. But it is extremely useless, as you can only use sheet mask for once and you are investing your 100 and 150 rupees into that. So it is better to buy a bottle of serum and apply it daily, and you can use it for a longer period of duration than buying a sheet mask that you can only use for once. So stop wasting your money, invest in a good skincare, buy a bottle of serum, but don't buy a sheet mask. Also it is not biodegradable, not good for the environment, so I won't suggest you that you should buy a sheet mask. So fourth product that I think you should stop buying is a highlighter. I know it was a trend in 2019 and also in 2020, and many of you swear by it and apply it on daily basis, but highlighter is not something you need to buy. You are having an eyeshadow palette and there are so many glittery shades which can be used as a highlighter. So there is no need of buying a separate highlighter product. Also when you use highlighter on daily basis, it looks very fake because everybody can notice those glittery and sparkling particles on your face, and believe me, it doesn't look good. So stop using highlighter. So guys, fifth makeup product that I think you should stop buying is fake eyelashes, because they really look fake. And it is okay if you are a beauty blogger, you are a model, you are doing it for a photo shoot, it looks really nice, but when you look in a person in real, they look really fake, they look pathetic, and also you are wasting a lot of money on that. Even the glue used in those eyelashes can be very allergic to your skin. It can irritate your skin. And please don't buy fake eyelashes. It is better that you invest in a good mascara than going for fake eyelashes. Mascara can give you a very good effect, so please stop buying fake eyelashes. I won't suggest you. And that's it with the video guys. I hope you have liked it, and if you have liked it, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me. And that's it. We'll meet soon. Until then, bye bye, take care.